Let us now discuss the communication process. There are many models of communication, but for this lesson, we will be getting an idea from the Shannon and Weaver communication model. Shannon and Weaver's model talks about 6 components of the communication process, namely the sender or the source, message, channel, receiver, effect, feedback, and noise. The source is the one who initiates the communication process. He is the one who delivers the message. These are transformed thoughts into a form like voice, audio, text, and signals that the source sends to the receiver. It is the information that the source wants to transmit. A message needs a channel in order to reach the receiver. This is the type of medium used to send messages between the source and the receiver. The communication process is considered successful when the receiver responds the way that the source had initially intended. The receiver is the one who receives the message. However, the communication process does not end there. The effect of the message and the feedback of the receiver should also be noted in order to know the result of the entire communication process. The effect is the response of the receiver after getting the message from the source. Meanwhile, feedback is an important part of the communication process. It tells the source how effective the selected message and channel are upon the receiver. The communication process is not always ideal. Sometimes, interferences can also occur when the source sends a message. These interferences can also be referred to as noise. Noise are disruptions in the communication process. In the workplace, noise can be common, especially when unfamiliar people communicate with each other. Later on, we will be talking about these noises in the communication process as to hopefully avoid them in the workplace. Let us look into this clip of 2 friends playing a simple game of catch. In the video, we can see that there are 2 people in the scenario. One is the sender, while the other one is the receiver. The ball being passed is considered as the message in the communication process. Now, the process is not always ideal because noise can occur. In the example, we can infer that the noise was the arrival of another person, thus disrupting the message flow.